Hi students, welcome back to the class. The last class we had discussed about respiration in plants. I hope all of you understood that topic. Yes. Okay. Now today we are going to discussing about respiration in roots. You know that the plant root, stem and leaf these all occur in the respiration. So in this video we are discussed about what the respiration in roots. Okay, clear? Yes. So, the roots of plants are under the ground, but root cells also need oxygen to carry out respiration and release energy for their own use. So, how does the respiration occur in roots? Let us see. The roots of a plant take up air from the space between the soil particles. See the root of the plant, especially the root hairs. Okay, you know that white color small hair roots that is helps to the respiration. Okay, so this root hairs that's so the root of a plant take up air from the space between the soil particles. These are the soil particles. Okay, this is air space. This is root hair, and this is capillary water. Okay, clear. So this root hair this take up air from the soil particles, space between the soil particles. Okay, root hairs are in contact with the air in the soil. These root hair always are contact with the air in the soil particles. Oxygen from the air in soil particle diffuse into root hair and reach all the cells of the root where it is utilized in respiration. Okay, carbon dioxide produced in the cells of the root during respiration. Okay, carbon dioxide is produced in the root during the respiration, goes out through the same root hair by the process of diffusion. Okay, in if a potted plant is over watered for a long time, then the plant may ultimately die. You know that potted plant there is more water, so ultimately the plant will die. Why? They're not getting sufficient air. So this is because too much water expel all the air from in between the soil particles. Due to this, oxygen is not available to the roots for aerobic respiration. In this condition, the roots of plant respire anaerobically, producing alcohol. You know that this aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. What is this aerobic respiration? Aerobic respiration means it is oxygen that completely oxidizes the food and it's release energy and carbon dioxide. That is aerobic respiration. What is anaerobic respiration? Yes, it is not completely oxidized food and it's release what? Ethyl alcohol or lactic acid and carbon dioxide. Okay, without oxygen, it's a respiration occur that is anaerobic respiration. Okay, it is occur in the yeast bacteria like small cells. Okay, so not a cell organisms. Okay, these also organism. You know that. So in these conditions, the roots of plant respire anaerobically, producing alcohol. Okay, and this may kill the plant. Germinating seeds during early stage respire anaerobically because they have seed coat which does not allow the oxygen to enter through it. Is it clear? Okay. So the respiration in plants happens throughout the day and night, thereby carbon dioxide is produced. However, during the daytime, the amount of carbon dioxide released is negligible compared to the amount of oxygen produced as a result of photosynthesis. Okay, hence, you know that one should not sleep under a tree at night. Why? The plants also release out carbon dioxide, so we are not getting sufficient oxygen to breathe. Okay, I hope all of you understood this topic. Yes, thank you.